Hey guys, Moto Yosh here, bringing you an unboxing and review of the Wired Controller Plus made by PowerA. This controller I picked up at my local Best Buy for around $20 with price match. My wife, my sister, brother-in-law and I have been obsessed with playing Overcooked, and I wanted to pick up another controller so that two players didn't have to play on the tiny Joy-Cons. I also didn't want to shell out more money for another Pro controller, so this was a very budget-friendly option. This controller doesn't feature any motion, NFC, or rumble support, but the price reflects that. In the box, it comes with a 10-foot USB-A to micro USB cable, which is different from the Pro controller's connection being a USB-A to USB-C connection. The controller also comes with 6 interchangeable joysticks so that you can customize your gaming experience. They are plastic snap-in and out pieces, so it's a breeze to change the sticks to find the style that suits your gaming needs. The 4 sticks that come in the plastic packaging are different heights and convex or concave tops depending on the feel that you are looking for. The weight of the PowerA controller is about the same as the Joy-Cons attached to the grip. The Pro controller definitely feels heavier, even though it's only a couple ounces more. I was curious on the innards of the wired controller and how it could be so close to the Pro controller's weight with so many of the missing features. I opened it up to find weights where the rumble packs would be, answering my question. Overall, this is a great value controller, especially if you can get it around $20. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and as always, thanks for watching and happy shopping.